You don't need 100 synths. You need one that pushes you to explore sound, not chase presets. Drift is Ableton's subtractive synth, and it's the kind of tool that rewards curiosity. It keeps things simple on the surface, but deep underneath. You get 2 oscillators with classic and custom waveforms like Sharktooth, a clean filter section with analog-style distortion, and a smart modulation matrix that lets you connect envelopes, LFOs, velocity, or pressure to just about anything. Want width? Use unison. Want movement? Dial in the drift knob and your notes come alive with subtle pitch variation. Want to play expressively? It's MPE ready, and it won't eat your CPU. Whether you're designing a lead, a pad, or just need inspiration, Drift sounds good fast without slowing down your workflow. Want to master Ableton? We put together a free collection of tools and resources to help you level up. Comment Ableton, and we'll DM you the link.